There are numerous AI tools available that can perform a wide range of tasks. ChatGPT is just one example, but there are thousands more out there. I've had the opportunity to test hundreds of these tools, and some of them are incredibly impressive. While some are still in their early stages, they're still fascinating to explore. Let me share a few mind-blowing tools, starting with some that are just for fun, followed by those that are genuinely useful. One remarkable AI technology is Versi, which is a text-to-space AI. You simply type in what you want, and it creates a fully customizable virtual experience for you. You can customize and connect different spaces, add objects, and view them from various angles. It's making me ponder the future of the metaverse, which might arrive sooner than anticipated. NVIDIA develops remarkable AI products. One of them is Canvas, which is incredibly fun to play around with. By drawing simple shapes and lines, you can choose from various materials to create a photorealistic landscape. You can even modify the image's appearance with presets and generate a 360-degree panorama. NVIDIA also offers a fantastic product called NVIDIA Broadcast, which is helpful for video making and audio recording. It can eliminate background noise and echoes, change backgrounds, and even automatically frame the shot. However, the most unique feature is eye contact, which allows you to read from a script or teleprompter without looking directly at the camera, giving the illusion of maintaining constant eye contact with the audience. NVIDIA's Omniverse is another incredible set of tools perfect for 3D artists. It enables real-time collaboration with others when working on projects, which is immensely beneficial when striving to create something extraordinary. NVIDIA is truly excelling with these tools. While text-to-image generators have been around for some time and have become quite adept at creating realistic images from text, let's delve into text-to-video generators. Companies like Meta and Google are working on this technology and have developed some truly impressive solutions, although they are not yet available to the public. Google's text-to-video generator in particular appears astonishing. Among the best available options, I recommend checking out Kyber. With Kyber, you can type in words or upload a picture, add a prompt, and it will create a video for you. While not flawless, it's still an impressive tool that allows you to produce amazing content. You can even upload a song and choose your own style to create a music video. In fact, the band Linkin Park used Kyber to create a music video that has garnered around 40 million views. Additionally, there's a tool called Leopix that can transform regular photos into captivating animations, adding depth and a 3D effect. You can customize the angle, speed, and animation style. The best part is that Leopix is free to use. Google is undeniably leading the pack with this technology. Now let's shift our focus to more practical tools. Here's an AI tool called Cactus that can assist with schoolwork. It can help you write essays in minutes, enhance your existing writing, fix grammar errors, and format your work according to AI style. It can even generate citations. While Cactus offers helpful features for subjects like science, technology, engineering, and math, it's important to note that while Cactus can aid in studying, some individuals may attempt to misuse it to cheat on their homework. Although there are AI detectors available to catch cheaters, some students may still find ways to circumvent them. This means schools may need to adapt and find new methods to identify cheating, as AI is transforming the way we do things. Connected to that, I have another tool that can enhance your learning effectiveness. It's called Wisdalia, and it's a free browser extension. When reading an article or studying online, Wisdalia allows you to generate flashcards with questions and answers based on the content. Instead of passively reading, you can actively engage with the material and test your understanding. Furthermore, Wisdalia integrates with a spaced repetition system called Anki, which aids in retaining information in your long-term memory. The system schedules flashcards for review at specific intervals, helping you counter the forgetting curve and improve your recall. I strongly recommend getting this extension. Now let's discuss a couple of intriguing yet somewhat eerie tools. One of them is called Pemize, which employs facial recognition technology to search for pictures of you on the internet. While it requires payment to use, it can help detect if your pictures are being used anywhere without your permission. However, it doesn't cover social media platforms. There's a fascinating tool called Rewind that functions like a perfect memory. It's akin to a search engine for your life, capable of remembering everything you've seen, heard, or said. Think of it as an advanced diary or journal that never forgets. It utilizes sophisticated computer techniques to store vast amounts of information in a remarkably compact space on your computer. While it sounds cool, it also gives off a slightly eerie vibe, reminiscent of something from a dark sci-fi show. DID is an interesting tool that allows you to create a digital character capable of engaging in face-to-face conversations with ChatGPT. Instead of relying on keyboards and cursors, you can have direct conversations. It opens up possibilities for deep conversations and nostalgia. However, it can also be somewhat eerie and creepy. Nonetheless, it may find useful applications in various ways. For instance, it can animate old photos to make them appear alive, and in the future, we might even be able to transform a still photo into a completely realistic video. However, it's essential to be cautious about deep fake videos created using similar technology. We need to exercise care in discerning what we believe when encountering online content. The availability of remarkable video editing tools has expanded, with one standout being Runway ML. They offer a comprehensive suite of tools, some of which are quite unique. For example, their Super Slow-Mo tool can transform any video into smooth slow motion, regardless of its original frame rate. They also provide an in-painting tool, which simplifies object removal from videos. Additionally, they offer a range of image tools, such as expanding images, applying text prompts, and colorizing black and white images. Furthermore, they're working on a tool called Gen 2 that will enable users to alter videos in numerous creative ways, such as giving them a claymation look or incorporating styles from uploaded images. ElevenLabs is an impressive tool that allows you to create photorealistic 3D scenes and objects that appear real. By uploading a picture of a room or a place, ElevenLabs transforms it into a 3D environment that you can explore. This is a remarkable advancement, as creating such 3D worlds used to be quite challenging. Moreover, you can use your phone to upload pictures of objects and incorporate them into video games. Speechify is a computer program that utilizes artificial intelligence to read text aloud. Originally designed to assist individuals with dyslexia who struggle with reading, it has proven helpful to many others as well. When using Speechify, you can select a piece of text, and the program will read it aloud. It can be particularly beneficial when you're trying to maintain focus while reading, as it enhances engagement. Even for fast readers, Speechify can make reading more enjoyable. Let's discuss Grain, a tool that can greatly assist people who have Zoom calls. When you use Grain to record your Zoom call, it automatically creates a written transcription of everything said during the call. But that's not all. Grain also generates a summary of the conversation using AI, which is a remarkable feature. You can label speakers and highlight specific parts of the conversation, making it easy to find important moments without having to listen to the entire call again. Additionally, you can share your highlights with others by sending them a link. Notion, a popular note-taking app, has recently incorporated AI capabilities into its platform. This represents a significant leap forward, as it allows users to access writing, summarizing, and brainstorming features without leaving the app. With AI integrated into Notion, users can create notes and documents more efficiently. It's likely that many other apps will adopt similar features in the future, possibly becoming a standard part of phone keyboards. Now let's take a quick look at some cool tools that don't require much explanation. AutoDraw, an online drawing tool that helps you quickly and easily draw by guessing what you're drawing and suggesting options for you to choose from. It's especially useful when you need to create simple graphics rapidly without investing too much time. WistLabs, a company providing a cool tool for making memories more fun and interactive. It allows you to convert regular videos into a 3D format, which can then be used in virtual or augmented reality. Reimagined Home lets you experiment with different designs for the interior and exterior of your house without having to purchase anything. It enables you to see how new furniture or flooring would look in your space. DoNotPay.com, a tool akin to having a robot lawyer. It possesses knowledge about various legal situations and can assist you in figuring out what to do if you encounter a problem. There's a fantastic website called SoundRaw that allows you to create your own music for YouTube videos, podcasts, ads, and more. You can choose the style of music you want, and customize the energy level throughout the song to match different parts of your video. Additionally, you have the freedom to select specific instruments for different sections of the song. With SoundRaw, you can easily make your own music. However, please note that the commercial use of the music requires a subscription of $19.99 per month. If you're creating music for fun, there's a free option called Millionaire, which, although less customizable, is still pretty cool. When using Millionaire, you simply need to provide attribution if you use their music. ElevenLabs offers a unique tool that allows you to clone your own voice. By uploading recordings of your voice, you can create a script that the tool will read using your voice. It's like having a digital clone of your voice, and the best part is that it sounds incredibly realistic, as if you were speaking yourself. The tool even adjusts the tone and emotion of your voice based on the content. It's truly remarkable. There are several impressive tools available that can generate images based on text input, with 3 notable ones being Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, and DALL-E. Among these, Midjourney is my favorite because it allows you to create images that align with your vision in any desired style, whether it's photography, painting, or graphic design. Using Midjourney requires working with commands through the messaging app, Discord, which may take some time to get accustomed to if you're unfamiliar with it. However, once you grasp the process, you can generate incredible images tailored to your preferences. While explaining the process of creating prompts can be complex and time-consuming to fully understand, you can find plenty of helpful online videos to guide you. It's a genuinely enjoyable experience. It's worth mentioning that some people express concerns about potential copyright issues with AI-generated art since computers use existing art styles to create new pieces. Companies like Glaze are actively working on making it harder for computers to utilize others' art. Regardless of your stance on this matter, AI art is undoubtedly here to stay, and there are incredible tools available in this field. When it comes to creating websites for businesses, there are amazing tools that can design a complete website in just a few minutes. By providing an idea of your business, these tools can generate a website with features like landing pages, email list management tools, brand name, logo, and text. It's a significant time saver, and some similar websites offer similar functionalities. If you want to test your business ideas without investing much time and money, you can try free websites like Mixo and Sitekick. Simply input your business idea, and they will swiftly create a website for you. You can run ads to drive traffic to your site and gauge people's interest by observing signups to your email list. These sites may not have all the advanced features of fully developed websites, but they are perfect for idea testing. There are numerous tools available for writing copy, both short and long. One noteworthy tool for longer writing is Jasper. It helps you optimize your writing for search engines and ensures originality without copying from other sources. Jasper can even assist in crafting copy for Facebook ads and generate writing ideas. With support for 25 different languages, you can use it regardless of your location. The best part is that you can try Jasper for free and write up to 10,000 words without any charges. Additionally, other competitors specialize in different types of writing. Copy.ai is great for writing persuasive sales copy. Sonic offers templates for quick start, and Moonbeam is an excellent choice for longer pieces like essays and lesson plans. While there are many other tools available, these are the best ones I have personally tried. If you're looking to create a custom logo and branding for your business, Luca is a great website to explore. Simply enter your business name, select preferred colors and logos, and Luca will generate hundreds of logos for you to choose from. Another interesting website, Poly.ai, features an AI voice that can answer incoming calls and even handle up to 50% of customer needs without human interaction. Synthesia, on the other hand, allows you to choose an avatar and an AI voice to deliver any script you upload, making it ideal for product how-to videos or training materials. Lastly, Tome is a website that can generate full presentations based on a single prompt. Just provide your subject and a brief description, and Tome will create engaging text and images that you can easily customize to fit your needs.